Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current subscribers. You're very welcome. Today's topic is how much food can you get for 871 crowns here in Sweden? Well, let's take a look and see how much we can get. Okay, first thing is oatmeal. This package has added fibers extra. I prefer these from the regular oatmeals. I bought 2 of these. And I also bought gnocchi, barillas. I bought 2 of these. And I bought also puka, peppermint and licorice tea. I bought 2 of these. I drink a lot of tea, and this is one of my favorites. And I also bought coffee. This one is what I usually buy. My wife likes this one, and I like it too as well. It has a fruity taste to it. I bought 2 of these. And by the way, coffee cost 51 crowns here in Sweden. And let's see what we have more. Yeah. And this is tuna. Tuna in water. I bought 6 of these. And I bought ravioli, the vegetarian one. And I bought 3 of these because I have one stored in back in time. So I have 1 of these, 3 of these. So now I have 4. By the way, it's a good brand, good taste, by the way. And I also got water chestnuts. I bought 4 cans of these, and these are sliced, which is nice. And I also bought bamboo shoots, and these are also sliced. I bought 4 of these as well. Lentil soup, Weight Watchers. I love this one. It's really good taste, by the way. I bought 4 of these. Tomato soup, Weight Watchers, also. I bought 4 of these as well. And I bought bean sprouts. I bought 4 of these, but unfortunately I got a little mishap on my way home, so I got a little buck. It got a little bit damaged here, so I can't save this for not that long. So this is I have to eat pretty soon, I guess. But the rest I will save for another day. And peas and carrots. I bought 4 of these as well. These are crushed tomatoes. I bought also 4 cans of these. Fruit cocktail. I bought 2 of these. So this is something I like. It's good to have in the prepper pantry. And the last one is rice. I prefer the jasmine rice and basmati rice. And this is a 2 kilo bag. I bought 2 of these. So guys, this is what you get for 871 crowns. So I just want to show you what I have bought for today. And well, it's a lot of food anyway, so this is going to my prepper pantry, all of it. I need to stockpile up more food, and I try to buy at least for 500-600 every month. So I had my gift card on 500, so I used that one, which was really nice. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and if you want to, please share this video as well. Well, that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And before I go, thanks for watching, thanks for your support. That means a lot to me. So until the next time, guys, stay safe, take care, be prepared, and keep prepping. And long live the king. ShadowScoutSwede out.